All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to quickly talk about the top 4 things you need for affiliate marketing success. Let's jump right in. So the number one thing that you need is an audience. There are so many tips that people give you and try to help you along the way with affiliate marketing. But at the end of the day, you need to focus on building a real audience, a quality audience, an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And you only do that by providing trustworthy content, transparent content, and high quality content. So I don't do a whole lot of production or video editing or anything like that on this channel, right? I do the video editing myself and there's nothing fancy going on, but that's okay because the advice and the tips and tricks that I'm teaching you are exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing you for free on YouTube what I do in order to build my affiliate marketing business. And in the last 12 months, I've made over $160,000 doing this. And I use only YouTube and affiliate marketing to achieve the results like that. And so in order to build an audience for whatever product you are trying to sell or whatever niche that you're in, we often, of course, I could make this 10 tips. Of course, you need a niche. Of course, you need this and this and this and that, right? But you need an audience in your niche that you are providing high quality content to. You can't always ask for sales. You can't always go out there and try to drop send out emails, create videos, and only asking for people to buy things from you. You also need to drop knowledge bombs. You also need to actually share real advice with your audience. So audience is huge. And I'll show you one of my audiences. So I have LearnWire right over here. It's 11.6 thousand subscribers. And when I'm talking to you about that kind of know, like, and trust factor, or that quality content, sometimes that unbiased content, this is a software review channel. And yes, I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I am trying to sell software to my audience and they know that. But the deal is that I actually will do a review on something. And even when I really want to like the software, but the software is just crap, like this video right over here, Logo Diffusion, I've still published the video, even though, I don't intentionally ever try to bash a vendor or a software or a product. But when something is just so bad that I cannot even get through the review and the software's not working, you can't even use the software, I have to say that, right? And so I will be honest in my review that this is just probably not a software worth picking up. And I still publish the video, and I'm not going to make any money as an affiliate in that video. But what it does is it does build a trust with your audience because they know that you are putting out a content. For example, right over here, look, Okoya. This is a huge software with a lot of reviews on AppSumo, and yet I rated it a 3 out of 5. I really I did not recommend buying it. And so I don't do that all the time, but when it's necessary, I definitely let my audience know that this is not something that I would purchase or pick up. And so that's what I mean by building an audience, right? Right over here, going up to almost 12,000 subscribers and getting about 1,000 views on every video that I publish. Sometimes there's not a big video, but in general, it's around 1,000 views per video. And by having that audience, that that when you create content and you publish the content, that you already have a built-in audience that you can get your content in front of, and there is a potential to make sales. But it all starts with building that audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, and building a real audience. Don't just fake it right now during this phase. And this is one more thing I want to hit home with the audience thing. I have my membership site. You can go and click below and go check that out. But a lot of what some people are struggling with is that they want to go out. And so if I go over here to Six Figure Freedom Club, this is my private membership group that you can go and sign up to. There'll be a link below. I get direct messages. I get all kinds of different people in here. We've got all kinds of discussions. We've got live webinars coming out right now. This Wednesday actually is coming out with one, and this one's going to be on building a successful affiliate marketing funnel. And then on the 13th, so the next week, we're also going to be doing SEO strategies for YouTube videos. Okay. So if you want to be a part of those live webinars, those live coaching calls, then you want to sign up right now and not miss those. But we also have a classroom where I'm going to show you, tell you exactly what to do to get started with these faceless YouTube channels. And they're not like what everyone else is teaching to go out and get stock footage and use AI and put these crappy videos together that no one's going to watch. These are tutorial style faceless YouTube channels where you don't have to be on screen and you can help people and give advice out and build a real audience. Okay. So go and check that out, link below. But what some people are struggling with inside the community is, they want to go into step 5, 6, maybe step 10 before they even, achieve step 1. Build the audience first. Right now, I'm building a case study right here. And I'm showing you that I'm not even going to worry about monetizing. I'm not even going to be worried about selling things until I hit 4,000 watch time hours, until I build a audience. Before I ask anything of anybody to buy anything from me, I'm building an audience first of people that just come to the channel because they know that they're getting quality content, quality tutorials, and I'm not even going to ask them to buy anything from me for a while. So that is one of the first things to do, is that you can't go out and sell something until you actually have built your audience first. So we've got number 2, you definitely need a product to promote after you've built an audience up. Maybe that's 500 subscribers, maybe that's 1,000 subscribers or more. But then you need a product to promote. So when we come back over here to the LearnWire example, well, this last one over here, this last video I published is called Whoop Review right over here, right? So I had picked out a software on AppSumo and it's called Whoop. And so I went ahead and did a review on that. And then when we click on this video right over here, you'll see that there is a link right over here that when people click on this, they will go over to AppSumo, and this has my affiliate link in here, the UTM affiliate link right there. And then if they go and check this out, they've already watched a full review. They're already warmed up and ready to go and buy this software because they already know what Whoop does, because I just gave them like a 20+ minute review on it, right? So most of the time, that's why I have such high conversion rates, is that most people are not going to click through and go check out this page right over here because I've already gone over the pricing. I've already gone over the features. I've already showed them what is good about the software, what I don't like about the software. So more times than not, when they click on the link, they're probably going to go over here and buy the software using my affiliate link. And they know it's an affiliate link, but they want to support the channel because I did spend a lot of time putting the review together. Okay. So you definitely need a product, and that's going to require you to investigate, do some research, and also be approved for the affiliate program. But that's definitely something you need. If you don't have a product to promote, whether that's your own product, it can be a course that you're selling of your own course, or it can be an affiliate product. And that's what's great about affiliate marketing, is that you don't need a product of your own. You can sell other people's products and let them do all the hard work, let them do all the customer service, and all you have to do is just provide value and honesty in your reviews. And so definitely a product to promote. So these next ones is number 3 is motivation. You've got to have motivation in this business or you're not going to make it. There is a lot of people that just have a hard time getting started, and they procrastinate, and they have the fear of failure, kind of a fear of failure syndrome, if you want to call it that. But they just don't get started, right? And you're not going to have success online with affiliate marketing if you don't take action and actually mess up, right? Make some mistakes. Put out 10 YouTube videos and only get 10 views. Like, you have to throw darts at the dartboard, because if you're not throwing darts at the dartboard, then you're not going to have a chance to hit the bullseye, because you're not even playing, right? You're not even throwing darts. So you've got to be throwing darts at the dartboard, and that starts with motivation. You've got to keep and maintain that motivation in order to succeed and to get started. So it brings me to my last tip right over here, is consistency, right? Many times, this is probably the number one thing that holds people back and why they never make it to $100 a day, $50 a day, whatever it is, but even like $1,000 a month, right? And so they can actually call themselves an affiliate marketer. Well, it's consistency. You can't show up, you can't put 5 videos out and then call it quits. You can't put 10 videos out and be like, oh, I only got 12 video views and I put 10 videos out. This does not work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. That is why 99% of people that try to make money online or try to do affiliate marketing, literally it's over 99% of people will never be able to quit their job and actually do this full time. It is because they quit too early. I grinded like crazy a few years ago, and I put out like 300 videos in 1 year in order to finally succeed with affiliate marketing. So you've got to have some thick skin and a mental mindset that says, I am not going to quit until I succeed. So consistency, you got to show up, set your goal. If it's 3 days a week, 4 days, or 5 days, I always recommend 5 days a week when getting started till you start building some traction. And you've got to set aside. Now, we have so much time that we spend on things that we don't really need to do in our life. They're more of their entertainment. They're fun. They're de-stressors, like watching Netflix, watching movies. There's a lot of different things, right? But if you're not willing to set aside 1 hour a day to work on your business, then you're probably not going to be able to quit your 9 to 5 and do this full time. So I always give the advice that you need at least to spend 1 hour in the beginning, 1 hour a day in this business. If you want to know more about all these different tips, then remember, first link below, go check it out and go sign up to my 6-Figure Freedom Club so you can get started and get on the right path to success. See you in the next video.